Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix suspicious login activity issues in Hotmail in 2026. So if Microsoft detected unusual sign-ins or locked your account for security reasons, yeah, this guide will help you secure and recover your account step by step. First, sign into your Microsoft account and open the Recent Activity section. This lets you check where and when your Hotmail account was accessed. If you notice unknown logins, change your password right away. So create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Now enable two-step verification for extra protection. This adds another security layer before anyone can access your account. Next, review connected devices and apps carefully. Remove anything suspicious or anything you no longer use. So yeah, verify that your recovery phone number and email address are still correct. This helps you recover the account quickly if another security issue happens. If suspicious activity keeps happening, scan your computer or phone for malware. Viruses or harmful browser extensions can steal login information. And that's how to fix Hotmail suspicious login activity issues in 2026. Once you secure your password, remove unknown access, and enable extra protection, your account should become much safer. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook security tutorials. Hey everyone!